To show you some advanced features of Yewno Discover, specifically layers and how to work with them. So let's type in a search term. We'll do Bitcoin. We'll select it from our list, and we'll get our definitions, concepts, and documents. And over here on the right-hand side, we have our knowledge graph. I'll expand that to expose all the different connections that we can make with Bitcoin. And at this point, we can select any one of these to see more information. For example, if we want to see ransomware, we can take a look at that. We can expand our concept. So now our knowledge graph will be redrawn, and we show concepts that are linked to Bitcoin and concepts that are linked to ransomware. Now, what if I wanted to see if there was a connection between smart contract and the Bitcoin Foundation, for example, or smart contract and the online wallet? So to do that, we go to our multi-select tool, and now we want to generate a relationship between two concepts. So I'm going to select the smart contract, and then I'm going to select online wallet. So it's made this link, and now we're going to generate a relationship. And a new knowledge graph is drawn that shows us how these two seemingly unconnected concepts are in fact connected. And you can click on any one of these. And obviously there's no direct connection, because otherwise our previous knowledge graph would have shown that. So if we want to see how we might get there, we can look at smart contract and crypto share. And then we can look at crypto share and online wallet. Or actually I was clicking on the wrong link, doesn't matter. So the idea is that it allows us to go from one concept to another, and this layer shows us the way. Now, where the layer shows up is right here. We created an indirect relationship, and to go back to our original knowledge graph, we need to take the top layer and keep working on that. When you're in the main knowledge graph, you have all the different options of adding new concepts. For example, I could add another concept and type in malware, for example. I'll select that, and we can expand our knowledge graph in this fashion. So now we can look at this and say, okay, well, that's very interesting. I want to create some new connections. So I'm going to, in the multi-select, I want to again generate a relationship between two concepts. So I'm going to click this one. I think that's for Mark Spitznagel and blockchain. And then I'm going to generate a relationship. So we're creating yet another layer. Now, if we wanted to add another concept to this layer, click on search. We cannot do that. Search is disabled in the current mode. That shows you that you're in one of the layers right here, and it is not the main one. You're in one of the indirect relationships. So to continue with your work, you need to be in the main layer, and then you can go and add another concept. You can delete concepts. You can add them to your journey. You can take snapshots. You can do all the things that are used to doing in Yewno Discover. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions at support@yewno.com. Thanks so much.